Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel of APS Academy. Students, today I have come before you with a new topic of notice writing. Students, notice writing is common in all classes from class 6th onwards. You must be aware about the format and all the other things related to notice, but still I would like to throw some light on notice writing. Notices, students, are means of formal communication targeted at a particular person or group of person. It is like a news item informing such person or persons of some important event. This can be an invitation to a meeting, announcement of any event, to issue certain instructions, make appeals, etc. So students, first of all, we'll discuss about notice writing. Notice is generally written and then displayed at a public place where it is accessible to all. They can be pasted on notice boards if it is meant for a wider audience. It can even be published in a newspaper. The government, when it issues notices, must publish it in national and local newspapers. So we must keep in mind the important tips while writing a notice. When we are writing the notice, students, you first must be aware about the important points related to notice writing. Notice is written in simple and formal language. It should be specific and brief, and the date should be written beside the word notice. Students can write the date of the examination if it is not mentioned in the question. Signature of the issuing authority is made at the bottom on the left side of the notice. At it include answers to what, why, when, where, and who, and the prescribed word limit should not be more than 50 words. Some of the most important topics that you must remember, which is common topics and it may be asked in your examinations, are cultural, sports, dance, quiz, song, picnic, exhibition, tours, camps, and the most common topics: lost and found, students activities, academic notices, public notices, auction, tender, obituary, etc. are the some of the important topics, and the points that you must keep in mind before writing the notice is: first and most important is you must write a notice in a box and mention the following points in the correct order. First, who is issuing, name of the organization, date of issue, what it is about, event, information or statement, when and where, date, time, place, and last but not the least is the signature. This is the format of the student's notice, students. So name of the organization is the first line that you have to write. You have to follow this in sequence. Then write the word notice in capital letter, date, headline and subject, content of the notice, signature and designation of the issuing authority. Coming to the notice writing marking scheme, this is very much important, students, that you must keep in mind. Name of the organization, notice word in capital letter, heading and date. This contains 1 mark. Name and designation consist of half marks. Placing the notice within the box, half marks awarded. Content and language contains of 2 marks. Total it is 4 marks. But in case you are exceeding the word limit by 2 or 3 words also, or 4 more or more words, then there is a penalty of half to 1 mark, students. So please keep in mind while you are writing the notice. This is one of the example that I've taken. You are Raman or Rama, the head boy girl of Arvind School, Dehradun. Your school is organizing a tour to Rajasthan. Write out a notice inviting students who want to join the tour. Put the notice in the box. So here we are seeing that the name of the issuing authority, Arvind School, Dehradun. The word notice written in capital letter. Date written in 7th July 2000 dash dash. You don't have to write 7/6 or 7/7 in this manner. This is the correct format, and the heading should be there, the tour to Rajasthan. Then the content, where the time, venue, and place should be given. Okay, and last is the signature of the issuing authority and the designation Rama head girl. There are a few questions that I have given you. You can practice more questions from your books and other related things. So for this, one question is there: your school is organizing a feed to school funds for charity. Here related to another question is your Srinivas Srindhi of DP Public School. Accordingly, you have to write the answers exercises, and this will be your practice. You can practice more questions